Hello, welcome to a lovely day in Wicklow. Today what I'm doing is something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. So there's a large boulder behind us here. Lately Aldi were selling these ratchet straps. I had one I used here before. It's the remnants of it is still here. It was about rated for 100 kilos. These ones are rated somewhere between 200 and 300 kilos, which should be more than enough. So what I've kind of done is I put a ratchet strap around it, tighten it up as best I can. I'll show you just now the reason why I want to get this clear, right? A couple of weeks ago, massive storm came through here. You can see where it took out half the bank in here. But the reason I want to get this rock out of here is this section here, where the bedrock is, that is producing some nice gold. There's a risk of the boulder falling in. So what I'm going to do is, I have this tensioned up, and I figured we might as well watch the process together. So this is the ratchet strap. It's nice and tight now. I don't know if it's going to move. I might need to put the other one in. I have no idea. Again, the last one cost €5 and it was rubbish. This one cost 11. So it might work. We'll see in a second. Okay, so let's get up here. See if I can get it moved. Right, I'll tell you what I'll do. I've got a lot of tension behind that. Let me see if I can use that tension, because those things ain't going anywhere. See if I can use this to move the rock. Okay, so you see where that's moving. So what I've learned before, the rock starts moving. So what I'm going to do is just going to lift this out slightly. The rock in between here, just so it has something to jam against. Let's try this again. See if I get a bit lower. Okay. It ain't going anywhere. I might just use that system there as a safety brake. Stop it from going anywhere. Alright, I'll see you in a minute when I figure this out. Let's go move a rock. So I'm at a point now where rock is pretty much ready to move. I've dug a big hole in front of it for it to fall into. I didn't want it falling into the ground I'm working. Big massive hole there. Stockpiled all the dirt beside it because I may as well run it. Back that I've dug it. So now I'm just going to push it from the other side and hopefully it just rolls into place. And that's it, done for the day. Let's see how that works. I'll tell you, that is tough work. So you can see here, she's moved. It's not exactly where I wanted to be, but when I started this process today, it was here. I had this all dammed up, so I had it nice and dry. I was down on my hands and knees with the kneeling pad scraping into the bedrock, getting all the good stuff out of it, with this giant boulder behind me. So for future reference, do ratchet straps work for moving giant boulders? No. Look, eventually it will get downstream, and someday when we have like 3 or 4 big people here, plenty of muscles, we'll roll it and we'll get it moved on. But for the time being, it's happy enough where it is. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video of whatever I happen to call it, the editing stage, to do with moving the rock. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I've previously posted and the ones we post in the future. Don't forget the subscribe button, and sure, catch the next one. We can all go buy more shiny and move more rocks. Bye bye.